English speaking, method, shadowing practice, topic, a series of conversations about travel. Shadowing practice today, introduce outdoor activities. Listen, read along. Hello adventurers. Get ready for an exciting day as we hike up to the breathtaking Eagle Peak. This trail is moderately challenging, so make sure you're wearing comfortable shoes and have plenty of water with you. Along the way, we'll enjoy spectacular views, spot some local wildlife, and learn about the natural history of this beautiful area. Take your time, enjoy the fresh air, and let's make this an unforgettable outdoor experience. Ready? Let's go! Please repeat the speech immediately after listening. Click Settings Speed to adjust the speaking speed to your level, or pause the video to shadow speaking the part you need. Your shadowing practice. Practice many times until you reach the desired. Thank you for your watching.